Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to Changemakers, a show brought to you by Wonder Published Magazine, where we try to bring to you the faces that are changing the face of education, innovation, and leadership in India. Today's guest is Ms. Reina Khatri Tandon, the CEO of Right to Rise. And she is the one who promotes gender equality and ethical behavior and overall uh, inclusiveness at workplaces like and institutions like colleges and schools. So today we have the pleasure of having Ms. Rena Tandon. Welcome to Wonder Publish, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Shubham and Wonder Publish. I think it's awesome to be here. Thank you for your honor.
Glad to have you, ma'am. And let's begin with the Right to Rise. As I just told our viewers that you are the CEO of Right to Rise. Please give us more information about what Right to Rise is all about.
So, Right to Rise is basically, I would say, a baby that was nurtured and born close to 2 years, 2.5 years now.
Okay.
And today is 8th April. We started maybe 2.5 years back. That was around the same date. We started in May.
Okay.
And when we started, the vision that was created was that we want to create a space where there could be everyone who is able to grow without being thinking about how they can go unproductive. And that's most of the times when we are starting, we think how do we go move forward without fear. So
Right.
our core belief has always been that every individual has the right to rise. Every individual has its maximum potential.
Yeah.
They have the opportunity to grow, and we should create this safe, healthy, conducive workplace so that they can effectively manage and produce maximized result. And in that, Right to Rise creates comprehensive solutions.
Correct.
We are a specialist in areas of Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act,
Yeah.
the POSH Act. We are also working towards child rights, that is through the POXO Act, Prevention of Child Offences, Sexual Harassment. And we create gender neutral spaces.
Yeah.
In every solution that we are providing, we want to create a stress-free place. So we work towards stress and solutions. All these solutions encompassing through POSH, POXO, human rights, stress, we are trying to go and reach the people, the masses with the heart. Because without heart, I think practical solutions are not possible. We need to
Absolutely.
respect people, be little sensitive, work towards their resilience and create that equal place. So that's
Absolutely.
what we dream to do. Yeah.
Wonderful. And if I'm not wrong, you did not start in this line. There was
Not at
you were
all.
on a different path, career trajectory.
Yes.
So, can you tell us about yourself? Like, how did you get into this?
So I was basically a 9 to 5 person,
Okay.
just like any other person. I think हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, 10th pass करते हैं, 12th pass करते हैं. Once you pass your grads, your parents ask you what you really want to become. At
Correct.
that time, you're not thinking about ecosystems and individuals and organizations. You're only thinking that what can I do next to make an impact, or what is that I like to do. And I generally found that there's a lot of potential that I want to go out and do something different. My family is from a business background. My parents
Okay.
are from a business background.
Mhm.
But there was nobody who's ever plunged into a space of organizational setup, of understanding the culture in organizations. So I wanted to um, learn more about the engineering skills. So I said I want to do engineering, and after that, the entire content was to do computer engineers, but I
Yeah.
ended up doing electronic and communication because there's another story to it. But yes, today I am happy that I did that, because the next vision was very clear that I want to go abroad and do VLSI chip design engineering, which बहुत सारे लोगों को नाम सुन के भी डर लगता है कि ये क्या अजूबा है. लेकिन हमारे गैजेट्स में, फोन्स में, लैपटॉप्स में जो छोटे छोटे चिप्स आते हैं,
जी.
उनको कैसे हम सर्क्यूट डिजाइन करते हैं, how do they operate, what are the embedded systems, and how do we work towards the software development and the hardware development is what chip design engineering does. So from technical working environment where you're just sitting with the laptop and with the setup, going into a space of talking, being a coach, trainer, mentor, and finally getting into the world of POSH. So they are different journeys, and every journey had a transformational story. Every journey had a different perspective of Rena, which came out and showed a more courageous, a more respectful, a more dignified person who wanted to create an identity of her own. who wanted कि मेरी कोई एक पहचान हो
Yeah.
और हर चीज को लेके एक महिला को ना अपने हस्बैंड का नाम या आपके पिता का नाम या अपने फैमिली का नाम
Yeah.
या हर एक चीज के लिए जो महिलाएं हमेशा सर्च करती हैं कि मुझे एक यू नो आई शुड बी नोन बाय दिस पर्सन शुड नॉट बी देयर।
Correct.
हम अपनी एक पहचान बनाते तो उसमें से बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो हम अपने आप पे भी वर्क करते हैं। एंड
बिल्कुल.
दैट वाज माय इंटेंट दैट a woman should be an independent person. When she's doing that, there's a lot to it. So she has to keep evolving every day, supporting her entire ecosystem, not that you cut off from them,
Yeah.
but you work with them. आप उनको लेते ही आप आगे बढ़े and everywhere you will learn something new. So that was
Absolutely,
my
ma'am.
intent completely. But yes, Posh and Popso just happened with the same value systems that I carry. And so we are here.
Wonderful. And you're also involved with many other initiatives which are in line with the
Yes.
PM's Atmanirbhar Abhiyan. So
Yes.
can you give us, an overview of the things which you are involved with?
Okay, so I am actually, since I had stayed abroad for quite some time, I have been working with societies of UK and Finnish societies.
Okay.
So मैं फिनलैंड में भी 8 years तक रही हूँ.
8 years. Okay.
Yes, and UK में मैं 6 साल तक रही हूँ जहाँ पे मैंने PhDs और अपने masters करने के बाद I have worked there for many companies.
Right.
So the background of being abroad is there where I already started a lot of philanthropic work.
Okay.
I already worked into counseling area. I worked as a person who was always supporting the evangelist church or working with Red Cross Society, which
Yeah.
is called Punainen Risti there, and
Okay.
also helping a lot of Indian people there because when in Finland when I went that time there was a very less populated country.
Yeah.
And we were all very closely knit there. So since Indians are always outspoken and I'm also very interested in talking to people, meeting to people, we start with a lot of wanting to be there for people rather than what you call networking today.
Yeah.
Okay, that time I was not a businesswoman. It was all done because I wanted to go and help people. But that philanthropy work, that wanting to help people, that talking to people, providing solutions and counseling people in turn ended up maybe in a perspective that yes, maybe coaching, training, mentoring should be my field.
Correct.
And eventually working for the rights of women and children, which became a later part of the story.
Yeah.
But उसको करते करते काफी बार मैं बहुत सारे सोसाइटीज के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ. मैं इस्कॉन टेम्पल जो फिनलैंड में है, जो जर्मनी में है, जो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर CISMME in India, CSWIR, which is run by another gentleman, working for Wiki. So I have
Yeah.
been Women Economic Forum chapter head
Yeah.
since 2018.
Yep.
All Ladies League, I have
Correct.
been working since 2017. Wiki chapter training and development Maharashtra I have been doing since
Wow.
years. So there have been many, and even the United Nations,
Yeah.
Rex Karamveer awardee. I have worked with Nari Shakti and Global Dignitary Awards, where I was felicitated in 2018.
Wow.
वो करते करते I think I came to a pedestal where there have been organizations like Prayas and Pranaya, and
Yeah.
they have been working with child rights and supporting them,
Right.
volunteering with them, volunteering with CRY.
Yeah.
The perspectives all change that we can go and help people,
Right.
but the intention should be very right and there should be a structure.
Correct.
So sooner or later during the pandemic, this baby of ours evolved, which is RKT Foundation, where I felt that helping the abuse survivors, the child people who are undergoing pornography or any kind of abuse, the women who are always struggling with their respect and dignity.
Right.
Sometimes not everybody has the money.
Yeah.
सारे लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं होते, and not all organizational perspectives are grown through company initiatives. So
Correct.
there has to be some sustainability support that you provide, and I thought foundation could be a right idea to bring it forward. And with that, yes, all these organizations that I support, Women Economic Forum, All Ladies League, Wiki, CSWIR,
Yeah.
CISMME, United, the Human Rights Council, which is also felicitated me with a nice global award.
Right.
So I am also the peace and gender equality expert at the other chapters of, again, human rights working with SDG goals. So ये सब चीजों पे करते करते when people really seek you for support and you are able to provide them support, so I feel that maybe I'm meant for that,
Yeah.
where I am able to help them. And that's how, through the platform of LinkedIn, I think even we have met. And I
Correct.
see you people also doing such good work that, you are bringing up people like us who can
Yeah.
talk about us, what is our work. और मैं जरूर चाहूंगी कि बाकी लोग जो भी हैं, जैसे महिलाएं हैं, पुरुष हैं, बच्चे हैं, जो ये चीजों से पीड़ित होते हैं, they undergo this kind of
जी.
sexual harassment act or POSCO act, and they need help. They don't know
Yeah.
who to go to. So we are there for that. People need to know that Right to Rise is there for that.
Correct.
So that, when you approach us, then at least we're able to help you both in the legal way and in the support and safety aspect, providing you also that that care and that nurturing effect that maybe our people, our society sometimes fails to realize that, agar koi, if they have undergone that, then there is a lot of pain inside them. You need to help them.
Absolutely. And is there any hotline, I mean, which people can access?
Yeah, so we have our info at contact at righttorise.gmail.in. I can probably share that for you.
Yeah,
Or
wonderful.
you can
Yeah.
personally write down to me at rkt@righttorise.in. That's
Yeah.
my personal email address, which I check every day. So there's info at righttorise.in. There is contact right to TORISC at
Right.
gmail.com. So there are multiple lines which we keep open. If you need a helpline, then yes, government has a
Yeah.
SheBox helpline also.
Okay.
We don't provide our own helplines now because we are supporting the government in their
Okay.
perspectives.
Got it.
And sometimes there are people who find my numbers from the website also and call, and we try to help them, providing our legal experts, whether it's domestic violence or whether it's into transgender rights or into POSCO or POSH initiatives. But there are people who call for multiple things, and there are
Yeah.
experts on board who can take care of them. So,
Wonderful.
yes.
So, I mean, speaking of, the startup environment, there has been a lot of talk about entrepreneurs taking India on world stage. So
Yes.
in your view, are they aware of all these, POSH guidelines that are to be, streamlined in an office environment, in a workplace? What's your experience?
Now, a lot of them know.
Okay.
A lot of schools, colleges, they know. A lot of universities know. लेकिन startups की हम जब बात करते हैं ना शुभम, what happens is that see, if you are a proprietor who's working from home, or if you're a small scale enterprise person,
Right.
or if you're a person working from a co-working space, that person may or may not know. It depends on how much he's exposed to the world.
Correct.
तो बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे जो इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं, एसएमईज हैं, स्टार्टअप्स हैं, वो अपने ही शेल में रहते हैं और उनको लगता है कि अगर मैं कॉमर्स एक्सपर्ट हूँ या ग्रेजुएट हूँ या मैं लेदर इंडस्ट्री से काम करता हूँ या मैं बाकी चीजों, आई डोंट नीड टू नो द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. But it is important as an entrepreneur to keep your eyes open and to keep networking with different platforms, even if they are not from your field, because business never comes one way. Business might come through the other multiple ways of their leads or their people as well. So sometimes they would refer you for something and then somebody comes to know. That is how our work is known.
Yeah.
Because one of them take our services, then they go and talk on the other services, and through word of mouth, through our quality assurance that we give in our work, people talk. लेकिन छोटे मोटे लोगों को अभी भी so I'm saying the different people who are there, like big companies, organizations, they know, big firms, they know, लेकिन बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे जो SMEs हैं उनको शायद पता नहीं है, और अगर पता नहीं है, it is our duty to go and tell them that POSH is an act that you need to implement. It's a mandate like GST, which you need to follow for your setups if you have more than 10 people. And if you don't know and you are not aware, penalties can be off. But if you know and you're not following, तो उसमें फिर over 60,000 rupees का penalty भी लग जाता है, which is quite a big thing in today's world. So we do not want to encompass that, or we don't want to incorporate that.
Sure. So if they don't understand it completely, they can approach people like you, like Right to Rise, right?
Absolutely. We do a lot of awareness sessions over different trusts, NGOs. We are there to support them completely free of cost.
Okay,
We do a
counseling,
lot of training sessions, pro bono
training. Okay,
sessions for people to know what is posh. Posh होता क्या है, हमें क्या हद तक पता
correct.
होना चाहिए कि harassment होता क्या है, sexual harassment होता क्या है.
Right.
We are open to do completely pro bono sessions for them if they are in a state where, you know, they want us to support without any money. But organizations, firms, and universities,
Yeah.
colleges, based on their requirement, we can support them.
Absolutely. So if I take you to, let's say, schools,
Yeah.
and if I ask you to explain to young people, kids, I mean, young boys and girls, what is sexual harassment? What amounts to sexual harassment?
Yeah. So छोटे बच्चों में भी हम एक कैटेगरी नहीं बना सकते.
Okay.
There will be very young kids who are
Right.
less than 5. तो वो
Right.
छोटे छोटे बच्चों को, 5 साल के बच्चों के beneath आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि उनको आप बता के समझा नहीं सकते,
True.
उनको आप दिखा के समझा सकते हो. सो गवर्नमेंट ने, हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे वीडियोस बना के रखे हैं जो देख के सुन के वो समझ सकते हैं.
Okay.
सेकेंडली, अगर हम देख रहे हैं कि 5th standard से लेके 10th तक, there are another group of people which are
Yeah.
falling in the teens, which are falling in the youth. तो
Yeah.
ये लोगों में भी 5th to 8th एक छोटी कैटेगरी हो जाती है जहाँ पे हम लोग गुड टच, बैड टच कैसे
Right.
होता है, क्यों होता है, कोई आता है तो आपको टच करता है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए, किसको अप्रोच करना चाहिए, वो बता सकते हैं. Then the elder category, which is over 7th or 8th standard till, you know, till your junior college that we see.
Yeah.
We know that there are a lot of people who understand much more because today's world is very fast.
Yeah.
22nd century, we have kids growing much faster. Coding आ गया, AI आ गया, robotics आ गया, तो फिर ये भी एक progressive step है कि
Correct.
हम अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठ के, I have 2 boys and
Mhm.
it is very important as a mother for me कि मैं उनको बुला के पूछूं कि आपको ये चीज कभी आपने सुनी है, या
Yeah.
ये चीज क्या आपने समझी है, क्या ये चीज आपने देखी है, क्या ये चीज आपको किसी ने बताई है, या
Yeah.
अगर कोई ऐसे टच करता है या कोई सिचुएशन हुआ है कभी आपके आपके फ्रेंड्स के बीच में, क्या आपको लगा है, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, आप क्या
Right.
नहीं करना चाहिए. If you have a constructive and a very good discussion with them, then it is so much better that, you know, they confide in you, they
Yeah.
talk to you, they approach you, and the trust is built. At that moment, trust build करना, bonding बनाना ज़्यादा important है, rather than you feeling shame that ये बात क्या मुझे करनी चाहिए माँ होके या बाप होके.
Yeah.
वैसे तो आजकल के जमाने में चाहे वो माँ करे या बाप करे, दोनों के बच्चे हैं. सो आइडियली शर्म करने से बेटर है कि आप उनको सेफ रखें.
Yeah.
और सेफ रखने का मतलब ये है कि आप उनको बताएं, यू टेल व्हाट इज राइट, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, rather than it coming from somebody else from some other part of the globe, which is not nice.
Yeah.
कोई
Absolutely.
दूसरा बोलेगा, उनको विश्वास कर लेते हैं लोग, फिर उसको रॉन्ग को राइट करने में भी उतना ही एफर्ट लगता है.
Correct. Correct.
So,
So I have a follow-up question here. I mean, do you
Yes.
think our teachers, our present teachers, the system of, these schools, is it, sensitive enough to these kinds of issues? Do they understand these issues properly? Do they respond? Do they have training regarding these issues?
yes, so many of the schools have very,
Okay.
very, it might be very new to you,
Mhm.
but there are very many of them who have this kind of trainings. They
Right.
have gender sensitization trainings, they have POSH trainings, they have POXO trainings,
Right.
and they have training separately for parents, for teachers, for staff, principal,
Okay.
and for the trustees, and also they have for the children. And again, for the children, like I said, it can't be one fit for all. It
Yeah.
all depends whether you're from IGCSE, from CBSE, from SSC
State
board,
boards. Yeah.
and what is the state norms, what is the language that they incorporate. You need to understand the need for the training and why are they doing it.
Correct.
और वो बच्चों का लेवल क्या है, नॉलेज बेस क्या है, आप उनको कैसे समझा पाओगे, उनको समझना पहले आपको है, rather than you just going and putting out everything what is there in the law.
Yeah.
क्योंकि लॉ को बोलना तो लॉ तो बाहर भी है, लेकिन आप अगर उनको समझा नहीं पाए तो वो चीज को चेंज करना बहुत मुश्किल है. कि बच्चों
Absolutely.
को you need to tell kids why it happens rather than telling them what is it about.
Right.
Yeah.
And we saw that new education policy came last year.
Yes,
So,
NEP
yeah.
has worked. Yes.
Yeah. So do you think there are proper guidelines for this time? I mean,
So I think NEP is very good.
Yeah.
The only thing again I would say is if NEP can incorporate gender inclusiveness and talk about the different genders,
Okay.
and we also take this more seriously, that gender laws, POSH, POCSO, all
Right.
these laws are being incorporated, including transgender.
Mhm.
See, principal teachers don't talk this very often, and they don't bring up these topics. But
Right.
that doesn't mean that we don't have children who are transgender or LGBT or Q or QR plus who are not brought up today.
Correct.
अगर वो पैदा हो रहे हैं और हमारे बीच हैं, और अगर वो खुद भी है,
Yeah.
उनको एक कंफर्ट लेवल पे लेके आना और उनको बताना कि आप भी हमारे ही जैसे हो, हमारे ही सोसाइटी में हो, हम आपके जैसे हैं, आप हमारे जैसे हैं, and we should be equally seen,
Correct.
is also another acceptance that kids need to know. And that has to become a very, very important aspect that we need to talk with the teachers, with the principal,
Yeah.
and they need to take it ahead. But I think that is not yet enforced. I
Yeah.
look forward to it becoming a very essential part, because it all starts from home. It all starts from our small children.
Yeah.
So that
Absolutely.
is very important. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, I mean, what do you say to, let's say, young boys who don't know, these boundaries that exist in the adult world, let's say, but in their formative years, they're not, really taught about to keep their boundaries about. So, how do you, let's say, approach a teen person who is in need of these kinds of counseling?
So counseling is different from coaching. Coaching
Okay.
is different from a legal aspect. So
Okay.
when we get cases in the schools,
Yeah.
when principal calls up and says that we are approaching you because we have a case that has taken a place in the school.
Right.
We don't want police services and we have not informed. I tell
Correct.
them that whether you like it or not, I think the first thing is to record an FIR. So you
Okay.
have to record an FIR and you have to involve the police, let them know that something has happened. Now, what is the extent of putting it out, the extent of publicizing it? Yes, we can keep it confined for some
Yeah.
time till we know what is the facts of the case.
Yeah.
Thirdly, there are kids who are young but
Yeah.
grown. So there could be a boy who's 15 years old and done an abuse to a 13-year-old,
Yeah.
but uska mindset पूरा वैसा है कि वो 22 years वाला है. So he knows
Okay.
much more about
Mhm.
what is sex, what is rape, what is murder and everything. And
Mhm.
intentionally वो चीजें हुई है.
Yeah.
हम बोलते हैं कि 18 years के beneath अगर all these activities happen in terms of sexual abuse, assault, penetrative sexual assault or aggravated sexual assault, we see the situation and then we react. लेकिन ये बच्चों को टोकने से, गुस्सा करने से, खाली सजा देने से कुछ होता नहीं है.
Right.
आइडियली उन्होंने क्यों किया है, उसके पीछे की स्टोरी, उसके पीछे के बैकग्राउंड फैक्ट्स, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या रहा है, उनके माँ बाप कैसे रहे हैं, उनका बिहेवियर, उनका थॉट पैटर्न, उनका बिहेवियर पैटर्न, वो किस कलर के नेचर के पर्सनालिटी के लोग हैं. There are a lot of people who are very extrovert at the same time.
Yeah.
They become a different personality when they are angry or when they are wanting something badly. That
Correct.
includes sexual intent. So वो सब चीजें देखने के बाद then probably brainstorming with them with another questionnaire or probably getting them to the analysis that yes, you have done it, accept it.
Yeah.
Case one state. Bringing them to that acceptance and then probably working on the legal aspect that
Yeah.
the repercussions of this is this, and we cannot fight against that. You have to undergo that.
Yeah.
Mentally preparing the child that you will undergo the trial, but
Yeah.
it will not be that bad or that worse that you have been scrutinized. So लेकिन ये उसी बलबूते पे है कि आप आगे वो नहीं करोगे. If you are accepting that,
Yeah.
well and good, let's close it there. Otherwise, we go into the deep-rooted inquiry where you see that the level of the child has gone way ahead when nobody has stopped him and he doesn't know the difference between right and wrong.
Yeah.
Now that becomes a very different scenario. You can't be considering him as a child and letting him go because he is crossed even the borderlines of being an adult. Because
Absolutely.
you need to keep a tab between what is good, what is wrong. Otherwise, you're just letting loose the wrong behavior or the criminals loose, and that's
Yeah.
not safe for our society as well.
Absolutely. And in the times of when we are working from home, students are
Yeah.
studying from home, there is a anonymity aspect to the interaction because of the internet. So
Yes.
there may be many other cases, which are taking place in these
Yeah.
special times. So what would you say to kids or parents at home to speak with kids regarding these issues, because this is what they may be facing?
See, kids have been bombarded with information.
Yeah.
Okay, during pandemic, हम लोग खाली उनको webinar खेल चुके हैं. They are also fed up.
Yeah.
Okay, आप और मैं जानते हैं कि बच्चे जब देखो खाली लैपटॉप के सामने बैठे हैं. तो
Correct.
लैपटॉप के सामने बैठना is one thing, studying is another thing.
Yeah.
कितना पढ़ रहे हैं वो हमें भी पता है. और
Yeah.
वो देख देख के जा के फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं कि भाई ये लैपटॉप से हम लोग को छुटकारा मिले. हमें जितनी पढ़ाई बुक से करनी थी उतना तो होती नहीं है.
Yeah.
You have to sometimes let them go. Even the exams are there. I have
Yeah.
my exams, my child's exam as well. They are studying, they are putting an effort, and जितना वो कर पा रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं. It
Yeah.
is a big change and a big wave for them even now. Okay, they have never been used to this kind of learning. They have never gone to the laptop and done so much of typing.
Right.
They would have never gone and then entered all their questions and answers, thought so fast, answered so fast.
Yeah.
सारे बच्चे एक जैसे नहीं होते.
Correct.
And the anonymous of the complaints, when it is compared to online frauds, online pornography, cheating, bullying, ragging,
Yeah.
body shaming, talking ill about the teacher, talking ill about the students, doing some kind of behavior like this could be fun, could not be fun. Could be a habit, could not be
Yeah.
a habit. Could be
Correct.
a depressing situation, and that's why the person is reverting, or repercussion is like that. So we need to see all the angles when things like this are happening. But I would say educators, principals, people who are there in the setup, including the students, should be at least aware. We cannot force parents for everything,
Yeah.
but principals, colleges, schools are making an effort to bring this awareness through different sessions. We have been doing a lot of free sessions during pandemic through our team.
Yeah.
For various schools, and some of them are really work, like Ram Ratan School is there, Gundecha School is there, Kangaroo Kids School is there. These schools have done so much for their effort of probably coming out and
Yeah.
doing sessions with us, and it was so appreciable that even small cities were coming out and doing it.
Correct.
The only thing is, not everybody is systematically doing it. If everybody does it together, everybody knows about it, or even if you know various schools where it's not happening, they need to bring it to our notice so we can help.
Right.
And if everybody knows of it, then it becomes easier to safeguard somebody. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि मुझे तो नहीं पता था is the answer when you are finished with RSA.
Yeah.
And that's not an answer that law accepts. That's not an answer that the court will accept. They will
Correct.
say that they are supposed to know, and the first person to be blamed is generally the parent, and
Yeah.
initially the mother.
Yeah.
And then it goes to the other people, the school, the college, the setup, the family, the father, and everybody. So again, that's a very wrong system where you start everything what is wrong is based on the mother's upbringing, and everything what is
Right.
right is towards the other thing. I think school is equally importantly playing a very good role, because children जितना teachers का और principal का सुनते हैं उतना अपने parents का भी शायद नहीं सुनते,
ठीक बात है
अगर आपने ध्यान दिया होगा.
जी.
और दूसरी बात है, बहुत कम पेरेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने बच्चों के साथ एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बिल्ड किया.
राइट.
काफी लोग ऑनलाइन तो बहुत दिखेंगे, लाइक्स तो बहुत करेंगे, लेकिन अगर खुद की जिंदगी में झांकना पड़े तो वो कितने अच्छे बच्चे हैं, या कितने अच्छे एक स्टूडेंट है, या अपने सिस्टम को, अपने माँ बाप का कितना ख्याल रखते हैं, बहुत ही कम लोग होंगे.
करेक्ट.
शायद हमें पता भी नहीं होंगे वो कितने होंगे, लेकिन it's very important for you to be bonded with your family, to give them time.
राइट.
आप जितना टाइम दोगे उतना आपकी क्लोजनेस बढ़ती है, उतना ट्रस्ट बढ़ता है, उतना एक दूसरे पे विश्वास बढ़ता है. ये केसेस तभी होते हैं जब हमारे बीच वो टुगेदरनेस नहीं है, तभी
Correct.
डर पैदा हो जाता है, ट्रस्ट नहीं है, बात नहीं कर पाते हैं, ओपननेस और ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है, कंट्रोल, पेशेंस, रिसिलियंस, सारी चीजें ऐसी नहीं होती क्योंकि सेटअप इज नॉट दैट काम.
Correct. And I was coming to that, coming to that divide
Yeah.
between India and Bharat. There is a
Yes.
huge difference between, how system works in, let's say, Gramin Bharat mein, जिस तरह
Yes.
काम करते हैं. So are you worried that we are lagging behind? I mean, इतने सारे बच्चे जो ग्रामीण भारत में रहते हैं, जो आई गेस देयर आर मेनी मोर, आपको लगता है कि वो बहुत पीछे रह गए हैं? एंड अगर हैं पीछे तो क्या करना चाहिए? गवर्नमेंट का इंटरवेंशन, आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
मुझे
का?
तो बच्चों का फिक्र नहीं, मुझे तो हमारे फ्यूचर का फिक्र है,
हम्म।
because whether it is them or whether it is us, we are all staying in the same society. And
ओके।
very sad to say कि पहले तो गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स भी लेके उनको भी सतर्क करने की कोशिश करती थी। अभी तो पैंडेमिक में उनका भी एक लिमिट है जहाँ पे वो रीच आउट कर पाते हैं, और
करेक्ट।
हमने बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स करने की कोशिश की, एंड देयर आर so many NGOs who are doing lot of sessions, so many interior cell trust NGOs who are working, and there are a lot of people who like to do a lot of social work. तो उनके साथ मिलके हमने बहुत सारे ये गरीब बच्चों के लिए, ये वो व्हाट यू कॉल इज रूरल सोसाइटी के लिए जाके उनको कभी एडुकेट किया, कभी
राइट।
मेनिस्ट्रेशन पे, कभी सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट होता क्या है, कभी अब्यूज, चाइल्ड अब्यूज होता क्या है, वो बताते हैं।
राइट।
But I think government should start again a serious initiative of driving this, because till they don't make it very serious, till they don't make it very compulsory,
या
तब तक लोग बहुत ही lightly लेते हैं. Yes, it is affecting our future, it is not shaping our future, because
करेक्ट।
tomorrow's future is all dependent on today's children. And today's children को अगर पता नहीं है, जैसे हमने और आपने बोला कि NEP में lots of changes have come in, लेकिन ये चीज भी तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये चीज भी तो बच्चों को पता होनी चाहिए कि खुद कैसे सेफ रहें. Safety comes first, education
करेक्ट।
comes
करेक्ट।
next. If you're
एब्सोल्युटली
not
मैम।
safe, then you will not be able to go ahead and produce results, because you're always in fear.
सो आई मीन, अब मैं आपसे चाहूंगा कि आप हिंदी में एक देश के उन युवाओं को संदेश दें जो कि शायद इन चीजों को पहली बार सुन रहे होंगे।
ओके, तो हम तो बहुत ही सिंपल इंसान हैं. हम ये राइट टू राइस, मिसेस रैना खत्री टंडन आपको यही बोलना चाहेगी कि हम बोलते हैं बच्चे मन के सच्चे हैं. मैं यही बोलूंगी कि एटलीस्ट आज के दिन से लेके,
या
अगर आप इतना हमारे से सुन चुके हैं कि हमें सतर्क रहना है, हमें जानकार रहना है, हमें एडुकेटेड रहना है, हमें सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट को लेके, पॉस्को को लेके कैसे ऑनलाइन रहते हुए, जब हम टेक्नोलॉजी को इतना एम्ब्रेस कर रहे हैं, जब हम टेक्नोलॉजी को इतना लर्न कर रहे हैं, तो हमें दूसरी दिशा में ये भी देखना चाहिए कि जितना हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, जितना आप ऊपर बढ़ेंगे, जितना हम एडुकेट होंगे, उतना ही हमें अपनी सेफ्टी का भी ख्याल रखना है. दूसरी चीज, लड़का और लड़की के बीच बहुत समानता है, कोई अलगपन नहीं है. और हम जब दूसरे जेंडर्स को देखते हैं, जैसे जैसे छक्का है, हिजड़ा है,
या
जो किन्नर है, जो हम
एक्सप्लेटिव्स,
अलग अलग नामों
करेक्ट।
से जानते
या
हैं, LGBTQ+, जो
करेक्ट।
हम सोसाइटी के लोग उनके अलग अलग नाम देते हैं, उनको पहले समझ लीजिए कि जैसे हम और मैं, आप और मैं, हम सब अलग हैं.
या
अगर आप हमारे साथ कुछ गलत करते हैं तो हम सोचेंगे कि उन्होंने ऐसे क्यों किया, क्योंकि हम उनकी तरह नहीं है, वो हमारी तरह नहीं है, और सबके बैकग्राउंड, सबके लाइफस्टाइल, सबके रहन सहन में दिन रात का फर्क है. अगर फर्क है तो हम एक दूसरे को पहचान भी उसी सतर्क से देख सकते हैं जितना हमें जानते हैं. अगर किसी ने गलत किया है, कोई उसको उठा के झापड़ भी मार सकता है, कोई चुपचाप सह भी लेता है, कोई समझ के चुप भी हो जाता है. ये अलग अलग तरीके हैं. लेकिन अगर हम चाहते हैं कि कोई चीज हमारे साथ ना हो, एडुकेशन ये होती है दूसरे को जाके बताना कि मैंने ये सीखा है, आप भी ये जान लो, वो
राइट।
भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. और उसको आगे जाके इम्प्लीमेंट भी करना, बिकॉज आवर यूथ फोर्स इज ऑलमोस्ट 60% ऑफ आवर कंट्री.
या
अगर 60% उठ के बोलेगी कि हम आपके साथ हैं, हम चाहते हैं कि ये केसेस ना हो, ये पॉस्को, ये पोर्नोग्राफी, अब्यूज, हैरेसमेंट, अब ऑनलाइन तो ज्यादा ही है, ऑनलाइन भी छेड़छाड़ होता है,
या
ऑनलाइन भी बॉडी शेमिंग होता है, ऑनलाइन भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लोग अपने एम्प्लॉयज के साथ मजाक करते हैं, कभी मस्ती करते हैं, कभी क्या करते हैं. तो ऐसे तो है नहीं कि केसेस बंद हो चुके हैं. और सोसाइटी में जो हो रहा है, अगर मुझे पता है तो दूसरे को भी पता होना चाहिए कि हम सतर्क कैसे रहें. तो आप जितना आगे आके ये इनिशिएटिव के साथ जुड़ के इसको आगे लेके जाएंगे, हमारा भारत और सुंदर बनता जाएगा और सतर्क बनता जाएगा. We don't need to fear whether we are in Bombay or tomorrow in Delhi.
Right.
We don't need to get scared. और ये एक सिर्फ एक mindset change करने के लिए हमें work करना है. We are not here to change men. We are not here to change women. We are not here to change children or the criminal mind. We are here to change the mindset of the wrong people.
Yeah.
जो लोग गलत करने की सोचते हैं, उनके माइंड में ऐसे क्यों बैठा है, और तभी उनको करेक्ट करने वाला कोई नहीं था. अगर हम उनको सही रास्ता दिखा पाए, शायद सब चीजें आसान हो जाएं.
Wonderful, ma'am.
खाली वो डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए कि उनको ये करते करते कितना टाइम हो गया है, क्योंकि अगर बहुत ज्यादा टाइम गुजर चुका है तो आदमी को थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करने में भी बहुत दिक्कत होती है. क्योंकि हम और मैं, हम सब जानते हैं कि हम छोटी से छोटी एक्सरसाइज ही नहीं कर पाते आजकल, जब हम चाहते हैं कि भाई हम वेट लॉस करें. बोलते तो बहुत बड़ा बड़ा है,
Yeah.
करने को जाते हैं तो नहीं हो पाता है. लेकिन अगर जो कर पाते हैं तो उनमें वो एक क्षमता भी है.
Correct.
एंड मैं यही जानती हूँ कि हम सब में वो क्षमता है. खाली एक कर दिखाने की चाह होनी चाहिए और हम वहां पे होंगे,
Wonderful, ma'am.
जरूर कामयाब होंगे.
Wonderful. And is there anything else you wanted to talk about and I didn't ask you? That you want to talk
Nothing
about?
else. I think thank you very much Wonder Slate Technologies. It has been so grateful. शुभम जी, मैं आपका कैसे धन्यवाद करूं मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन इतने सिंपलिस्टिक तरीके से आपने हमारे इनिशिएटिव्स को लेके, राइट टू राइज को लेके, आरकेडी फाउंडेशन को लेके इतना व्यूअर्स को इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट यू नो व्हेन दे लिसन टू अस दे शुड बी इंस्पायर्ड. वो बहुत आगे जाएं, और अगर कहीं पे भी पॉश या पॉक्सो से जुड़ने की कोशिश उनकी है तो हमारे सोशल इनिशिएटिव्स आरकेडी फाउंडेशन से भी जुड़ सकते हैं. अगर वो सर्टिफाई होके बाहर कंपनीज में काम करना चाहते हैं, स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस को आगे रास्ता दिखाना चाहते हैं, तो वो राइट टू राइट से जुड़ जाएं.
Wonderful.
लेकिन let's get together and
Yes.
do something really good for the society. And thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. And we'd love to have you over again. So thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
thank you everyone for joining us. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.